In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to your Wix site. Whether you're trying to build an online community, manage a private group, or simply want to give certain users exclusive access, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Wix website editor and make sure you're logged into the correct site. Once you're inside the editor, look for the magnifying glass icon, which represents the search feature. Click on it and follow along carefully, because this tool makes finding the right features much faster as your site grows. Next, type the word group into the search bar. You'll see several related options appear, all designed to help you create and manage communities on your site. From the results, click on Wix Groups. This feature allows your members to interact, share content, and stay engaged in one organized space, which is perfect for building a strong community. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your site is published, ensure you have admin access, and double-check that Wix Groups isn't already added to your site. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary confusion later on. Once you select Wix Groups, click on Add to Site to integrate it into your website. After that, you'll be taken back to the editor, where you can start managing your groups. Look for the option labeled Manage Groups and click on it. Inside this dashboard, you'll see an option called Add Members. From here, you can manually add members or invite them via email. After completing this step, you should be able to successfully add members to your Wix group without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to review group permissions, so members have the right level of access. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and keeps your community organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add members to your Wix site and manage your groups easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.